Welcome to Cast Sudoku. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm doing the New York Times Hard Sudoku for Friday, July 11th, 2025. All right, let's get started. Just gonna start scanning to see what I can fill in right away. So, the first thing I'm seeing is in this box, the only cell the 8 can go in is here. In this box, the 1, the 6, and the 9 are in this row. So that leaves just 3 cells where the 1, the 6, and the 9 can go. So this is 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And then these 3 cells will be 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. And then the rest of this row, if the 3, the 4, and the 5 go here, are 2, 7, 8. So this is 2, 7, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. So then in this box, if the 3 goes here in this box, then in this box, the only cell the 3 can go in is here. Okay. In this row, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. 5 goes here or here in this box. This column needs 2, 6, 7, 8. And so this was 2, 7, because the 2, 7, and 8 go here, here, or here. So this would be 2, 7, 8. Yeah, 2, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 7, 8. The 6, the 7, and the 8 are all in this row, so 2 goes here. So then we just need 6, 7, 8. So this is 7, 8, 6, 8, 6, 7. Okay. And now that this 2 is here in this box, the only cell the 2 can go in is here. Okay. Let's see. This row would need 4, 5, 6, 8. So this cell is 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 8, and 4, 8. 2 will go here or here in this box for there to be a 2 in this column. Because 2 is in this box and in this row. So 2 goes here or here in this box. If what does this row need? This row needs 1, 2, 4, 6, 9. So this would be 4, 6. No, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 6, 9, 6, 9, 2, 4, 9. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. And this column needs 1, 2, 4, 8, 9. So this cell would be 4, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 1, 2, 4, 8, 9. Hmm. This row needs 3, 4, 5, 9. So this cell is 5, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, and 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. Hmm. Let's see, let's see. I've got a bit of a headache today, so I am struggling through this a little. So here again, we said this was 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 3, 5. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Oh, I had this the whole time. The 1, the 6, and the 9 can't go here, right? So this cell, and this cell are 1, 6, 9. One's in this column, one's in this row. The 1 goes here. 6 and 9 go in this cell or this cell. Yeah, I should have had that at the very beginning. That was one of the first things I did. But that's okay. Okay, this column now needs 3, 4, 6, 9. So this cell is 3, 4, 3, 4, 9, 3, 6, 9, and 3, 6, 9. So 6 will go here or here in this box in order for there to be a 6 in this column, which means 6 cannot go in this cell. 6 is in this column, and 6 is in this column. So in this row, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. All right. And now this row would be 4, 5, 8. So this is 4, 5, 5, 8, and 4, 8. This row needs 2, 4, 6, 9. So 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 2, 4, 9. Okay. So 2 or 4 goes here. One goes here or here. Okay, this row needs a 6 and an 8. 6 and 8 are in this box, so this cell and this cell have to be the 6 and the 8. And then the rest of this row would be 1, 5, 9. 1 is in this column and this column, so 1 will go here. 9's in this column, so 5 goes here and 9 here. And now in this box, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. Okay, so 6 and 8 here and here. Now this column needs 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3. So the 4 will go here or here in this box. And the 5 will go somewhere here too. 5 needs to go somewhere here or here. Oh, okay, so in this box, the 5 goes somewhere here. So then for there to be a 5 in this column, the only cell the 5 can go in is here. Because in this box, the 5 will go across here, because 1 or 9 and 6 go in this cell and this cell. Okay, so 5 goes there. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's look at this column again, maybe. This column needs 3, 4, 6, 9. So this is 3, 4, 3, 4, 9, 3, 6, 9, and 3, 6. Okay. And this row needed 4, 5, 8. So this is 5, 8, 4, 5, 4, 8, right? And this cell is 4, 9. This is 6 and 8 in this cell and this cell. Okay, 6 or 8 goes here and here. So this cell is 6 or 8. And then if we look at this column needs 6, 7, 8. 7's in this box, so this cell is also 6 or 8. So the 6 and the 8 go here and here in this box. And then we'd have 1, 5, 9. 5 is in this row, so the 5 will go here, which we had anyway in an easier way than finding those 6 and 8s, but that's okay. So 6 and 8 here and here, and then 1, 9 here and here. Okay, so if the 1 and the 9 go here or here in this box, the 9 cannot go in this cell. 9 is in this row and this row and this row. So in this column, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. And now the 6 is going to go here. And now in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here, which means the 8 goes there and the 6 there and the 8 there. Okay, so now this column would need a 3, 5, 8. So this is 3, 5, 5, 8, 3, 8. Okay. And this column would need 6 or 7. 6 is in this box, so 7 goes there and the 6 goes there. And now in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. Okay, so what do we have now? In this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here, and now in this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. And then this column would be 2, 3, 4. So this is 3, 4. This would have to be the 2 because the 3 and the 4 go somewhere across here in this box, so that's 2. And then this will be the 4 because 3 is in this row, which means 3 goes through. Then these two cells are going to be the 6 and the 3. 6 is in this row, so 3 here, 6 here. This is the 2 to finish this row. And then because the 3, the 4, and the 5 go here, the 8 is going to go here, and then these two cells are the 4 and the 9. All right, these two cells are going to be the 2 and the 4. This column needs a 2 and a 4, and the 4 is in this row, so the 2 will go here, 4 here, and then the 2 here. And then this is 3, 4, and 5. So 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 5. Now these two cells to finish this row are the 4 and the 9. And that means the 3 goes here in this box. Okay, and then this column would need 3, 4, 9. So this is 3, 4, 4, 9, 3, 9. Okay. These two cells are the 1 and the 9, 4 and 9. In this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. Okay, so then this box needs 1, 2, 4, 8. So this would be 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8, and 1, 2. So the 2 and the 8 go somewhere here in this box. Okay. This column is 1, 4, 9. So 1, 4, 1, 9, 4, 9. Okay, 1, 4. and this is 3, 4. Oh, in this box, the only cell the 2 can go in is here, which means the only cell the 8 can go in is here. Then we would need 1 and 4. 4 is in this row, so 1 here, 4 here. And now that this 1 is here in this box, so 1's got to go here. Okay, so now these two cells were 4 or 9. We put the 4 in this column, so the 9 goes here and the 4 here. Now that this 9's here, we need 9 to finish this column, 1 to finish this column. All right, what was this, 4 or 9? Okay, this row needs 3 or 8. 8 is in this box, so 3 goes here and 8 here. Now this box needs 4 or 5. 4 is in this row, so the 5 will go here, the 4 here. 5 here to finish this row, and then we need 3 or 9. 3 is in this column, so 9, 3. And then 3 to finish this column. We need 4 and 5. 5's in this column, so 4, 5, and then finally we have 4 and 9. 16 minutes and 1 second. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.